In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send automated emails in Monday.com. If you're looking to streamline your workflow and ensure that important email communications are seamlessly integrated into your project management processes, you've come to the right place. Let's start by logging into your Monday.com account. Once you're logged in, head over to the specific board where you'd like to receive emails as tasks or items. This will be our workspace for integrating email communications into your ongoing projects. The next step is to get your board's unique email address. For this, you'll want to click on the three-dot menu at the top right corner of your board. From the drop-down menu, select Board Settings and then navigate to Create Items via Email. Here you'll find a unique email address associated with your board. Make sure to copy this email address. It's what we'll use to forward important emails directly into your task management system. Now let's set up an email to be sent to your board. Open your email client, whether it's Gmail, Outlook, or another service you use. In the To field, paste the board's email address you just copied. In this setup, the subject line of your email becomes the item name in Monday.com, and the body of your email becomes the item update. This feature is particularly valuable because it maintains the context and details of each task right within your project board. By default, any email sent to the board's address will create an item. But what if you want to control who can send emails directly to your board? You have options to limit permissions. You can restrict it to only board members, specific email addresses, or even allow anyone with the email address to send messages that become actionable tasks on your board. Finally, to bring it all together and make sure your workflow remains organized, make use of the various columns available in Monday.com, such as status, priority, assignee, and due date. These columns help maintain structure and prioritize tasks effectively. Whether you're handling client requests, managing support tickets, or collecting task input from outside stakeholders, organizing them this way ensures you never miss important deadlines or updates. By following these steps, you can efficiently send automated emails into Monday.com, transforming them into tasks that are accessible